For this activity, you will need your math notebook and a writing tool. I am suggesting a pencil for the neatest work. When you are ready, you will open up your notebook to the next available page. Please check the date. You will enter the date here at the top of your page. The title of the work that we will be doing, or the chapter, is chapter, I'm abbreviating chapter, CH period, 4.4. Subtraction across zeros. So go ahead and label the work that we will be doing. Next, you will use a Post-it note. If you choose to, you could draw it on your own, but we're making a place value chart. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Post-it just to help me neatly draw a rectangle. And it's okay again if it's not perfect. And we'll take that rectangle and draw a line in the middle so we have it drawn in half. And then we'll draw another line on the left side here too. So now we have 4 somewhat equal parts. The number that we will be subtracting is 2,000 minus 257. Okay? So what we will do is always rewrite the number from horizontal form to vertical form. I'm going to give you a big tip. Please make sure that your numbers are neat and lined up right under one another for the place value. So you can see my ones are neat, my tens are lined up, and my hundreds are lined up. If you write a number that's just kind of like this will lead to errors in your work if your numbers are not neat. So please make sure you practice this skill. So first we're going to go ahead and build our number 2,000. Oh, I forgot to label my chart. Let's go ahead and label our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and ones. Now let's build our number. So I have 2 thousands. I have 2 thousands, but I don't have any hundreds, so I'm going to use my regrouping. So I will regroup 1,000 into 10 hundreds. So go ahead and draw your 10 hundreds. Remember that we cross off the 1,000 that we used. The precise vocabulary and math language we use to do that is 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Please write that out and spell the numbers correctly. So what we did with our math here is 1,000, we regrouped our thousands to 10 hundreds. But we still don't have any tens. So we need to make sure that we regroup our hundreds. 100 is equal to 10 tens. Make sure you cross off the 100 that you use. It is not okay to reuse that 100. So the precise vocabulary of what we just did was 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now we will look at our number to see what we just did. We regrouped our hundreds to make 10 tens. Looking here, we still need some ones. So let's go ahead, regroup our 110 to our 10 ones. Now, the math of what we just did, 110 is equal to 10 ones. So the math of that, there we go. So now we can go ahead and subtract. 10 ones minus 7 and we have 3 ones remaining. 9 tens minus 5 and we have 4 tens remaining. 9 hundreds minus 2 and we have 7 hundreds remaining and 1,000. So let's go ahead and check our work. 1,743, and again, we are going to make sure we line up our numbers, plus 257. If we add, woohoo! Our numbers match. Fantastic work. So if you need to, you can pause the video and make sure you have all of your notes in your notebook. And Miss Meckert and I are going to be checking that you are lining up your numbers neatly. Thank you so much.